Hi guys! Wait, that's not how I decided to start this video. Hi singles and singlets, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video on a Monday and whilst you are obviously very single or obviously very obsessed with me, either way, welcome back to my channel, okay? If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm not this mean on a regular day, but it's Father's Day today and you're watching a YouTube video, like, do you get it? If you want to see the nice side of me, you should consider subscribing to my channel. On regular days, I post makeup videos and lifestyle videos without subs. Today, I'm doing a makeup look for you singles and singlets. So, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, grab a drink, grab your makeup brushes, and let's get straight into the video. So obviously I already have my face and my brows done, not my full face done, just foundation and my brows done. So we are going to jump straight into the eyes, then I'll do the rest of my face and my lips, and then we end the video. So let's get into it. For my eyes, I'm going to set the base of my eyes using a concealer. This is the Adventure Pro. This is the Adventure Pro Blend Concealer in the shade 03 Karachi. So I'm going to be putting this all over my eyelid for my eyeshadow base. So I'm blending out the concealer using my, I can't believe, okay, yeah, is my Colorbox Cosmetics CB15 Pro brush. It's a double-sided brush. So I'm going to use this side to blend my concealer out. Now that that is all blended in, I'm going to go into my translucent powder. This is the Adventure HD Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Vanilla. You know, I could just leave the makeup like this and call it a day. I'm like, done. But I love you singles and singlets, even though nobody loves you. Not even though. Even though they are not shit. Even if nobody loves you. I do. So I'm going to give you real goodness today. I'm going to go into my, and don't judge me, I'm going to go into my V Beauty Pro Face Collection Mini Palette. So it's an 8 powder palette. Do not judge me. It's an 8 powder palette, and I'm going to go into this very light shade called Bianca. And I'm going to put that all over my lid as well. So next thing, I'm going to go into my Morphe 35 I don't know if it's 02 or 02 palette. I'm going to go into this Morphe palette, and this, for those of you who don't know how the inside of the palette looks, is a very neutral nude palette, and most of the shades are especially good for, you know, darker skin. There's a very deep dark black here. This can pass off as a black if you blend it, like if you pack it on enough. And there are a lot of other neutrals and red shades in this palette, so I really love this palette. It's great for beginners if you just like throw eyeshadow all over your eye. It's really good for beginners. The first shade I'm going to put down is this one. I don't know what it is called because I threw out the plastic thing that was in the shade. I mean, in the eyeshadow out. I don't have time for that. So, but I'm going to go in with this palette, this shade, and put it all over my crease. See, now I'm struggling because I haven't done this in a minute. I'm going to do that with my Colorbox 12 CB12 brush. So I'm just going to take this amount, tap of the excess, and pack the shade in my outer V and use. You don't want to shock your eyes by just introducing black. Do you get? You don't want to shock your eyes by just putting down a black. Your eyes be like, God's good anyway. So now that I've packed enough, in my opinion, on my lid, I'm going to take the same brush, no extra product, and I'm just going to blend in circular swiping motions, especially the top bits of my eyes. Yeah, so now that this is blended in really nicely, I'm going to go in with a CB9 brush, and I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades. So this shade right here and the one right beneath it. I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades and put it in my crease again. Go back into my CB12 brush, the one that I used to apply the previous shade, and I'm just going to use it to blend in between those two. So this is my Focal So Hot palette, this right here. I'm going to go into this shade here. It's called Coffee Beans, and I'm going to mix it with the black in my Morphe 3502 palette. Wish me luck, guys. Black is such a dangerous color to work with. Okay, so next I'm going to go back into the brush that I used previously, the one that I used to pick up a mixture of these two colors, and I'm just going to blend the edge of that black and dark brown. Then into the other brush, the CB12 brush that I started with, I'm just going to I'm going to go into this Focal Twilight palette. I'm going to take this flat packing brush. I don't know where I got it from, but it's one of my old brush sets. And I'm going to mix this shade called Camel. It's a very light shade with a yellow undertone. And this shade called Naked. It's a white looking shade. So I'm going to mix these two shades, and I'm going to place them in the inner corner of my eyes. This one and this one to blend the white and whatever out. I think I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera because this video has gone on long enough. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is the completed look. I didn't do much to my hair because I suck at styling hair, okay? But I have new earrings on, change my top. This is the final look. So even though I'm here for the singlets and singles, even if you are going out today, you can try on this look. Otherwise, you could just practice it, wear it in Netflix and chill. I mean, nobody's gonna catch you. Okay, nobody's gonna catch you. But I'm feeling really hot. I'm feeling very, very hot. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this far. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you like the final look. Let me know down below what kinds of looks that you'd like to see, and if you do recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram and or Twitter at XO_Feyi, F-E-Y-I. Okay, alright guys, I love you all so much. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.